Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hairstyles and hair transformations, so if you are thinking of shaking things up with a brand new style, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a blonde bob haircut transformation. Loving the longer bangs with this one. Then we have someone donating their long hair. Unfortunately, we don't get to see the after, but I'm pretty sure this person probably ended up getting a pixie cut. But then we do see this gorgeous pixie bob style, absolutely stunning. The pixie bobs are trending heavily right now. So many women are requesting them, and when you take a look at them, you can definitely understand why. Here we have another pixie bob variation, followed by a bob haircut. Simple and chic classic. And then we see someone with gorgeous red copper colored hair. Followed by this burgundy pixie bob style. Love how she left that one little piece black. This is absolutely stunning. Definitely a fan of that cut-in color combination. Ooh, so we have someone who went with dark red copper. Wow. Oh, what an amazing color. Then it looks like we have a shaven bob haircut style. Very nice. She has a shaven nape area and a jawline style bob or mini bob. Very cute. Ooh, loving this pixie blonde haircut transformation. followed by this brunette pixie style. And then we have this French girl style bob. Loving the texture that the stylist created. Gorgeous burgundy bob. Oh, absolutely stunning. This bob perfectly frames her face out as well. And I love the texture that the stylist created. Next up, we see someone with long, dark hair. And she has decided to switch it up with some color, loving the money piece highlight she has in the front. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out today's hairstyles with me. If you felt inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see even more hot hair trends, you can check out this video next.